Okay, so RCD. So investigation ta na no. Okay, so doon na siya pila ka buok. So doon ay duha no. Unsa man ning duha? Single og doble reinforce. Okay, so una sa tadresa ta sa single. So pangutanan ka unsa man ang moment capacity. Ang moment capacity for single is what? So na siya duha no. Considering concrete alone o considering steel. So unahan sa nato ni si considering concrete alone. So that is FC is equal to MCX over ICR. Okay, so down ta QC is equal to QT times area barred Y. Okay, so down. Okay, so kuha na to si compression block. So saan to pagkuha si compression block? So for single, that is px squared over 2 is equal to NES times the quantity D minus X, where C N is equal to AS over EC, where si EC is equal to 4,700 times square root of FC prime. Okay, so makuha na nimo si depth of compression block X. So next, pwede na ba na to kuhaon si ICR? Yes, pwede na. So unsa may formula sa pagkuha sa ICR? So that is BX cubed over 3 plus NES times the quantity D minus X squared for singly reinforced. Then pwede tayong balik ni FC is equal to MCX over ICR, where FC is equal to 0.45 FC prime. So therefore makuha na nimo si MC. So ang value ni MC mao na ba na siya moment capacity? So not yet, no, dili pa. Ano man kay kinahanglan pa nato i-check si considering steel sa ta, check sa nato. Okay, so what is the formula? That is Fs over N is equal to Ms times the quantity D minus X over ICR. So substitute the values, makuha nimo si Ms. So asa may kuhaon sa duha? Syempre ang pinaka gamay mao'y mahimong moment capacity. Next, what if pangutanon ka og mode of design? So pila ka buok mode of design? Okay, so dunay tulo. Unsa kayo ang tulo? Okay, so una, MC is equal to MS. Unsa may mode of design? That is balanced design. So what if MC is greater than MS? Unsa man po na siya? So that is under enforced design. Okay, so what if MC is less than MS? So that is over enforced mode of design. Okay, so next, what if pangutanon ka nga adequacy? So doon na siya duha, no, adequate ug unadequate. Og adequate unsa may kuan na forma? Ano siya? Maximum applied moment is less than minimum capacity, minimum moment capacity of the beam, that is called adequate, no? Kaya niya kargahon. So pag inadequate, so inverse ra sa adequate. Okay, so balhin ta sa doble. So sa doble unsa may kuan na, so that is kuan unang buhaton. So unang buhaton QC is equal to QT, no? Same ra sa single, pero ang pagkuha sa compression block is different, no? So ngano mang different man, unsay kalainan? Ang kalainan nila diri man gud sa doble kay bx squared over 2 plus na plus 2n plus the quantity 2n minus 1 multiply by ES prime, that is the area of steel sa compression side, multiply by the quantity x, the depth of compression block, minus the D prime, that is the steel covering. Steel covering ba yan? Effective steel covering, no? Okay, so is equal to, and the modular ratio is the steel area sa tension side, multiply by the quantity D minus X. D is the effective depth, no? Measured from the outermost fiber to the centroid of the tension steel. Okay, so next, pwede na ba nato kuhaon si ICR? Yes, pwede na. Nganong pwede naman, kaya nakuha naman nato si compression block, no? X. Okay, so unsay formula sa ICR? So that is bx cube, there is a double bx cube over 3 plus quantity 2n minus 1 times the ES prime times the quantity x minus D prime squared plus plus NES times the quantity D minus X squared. Okay, so man ana, so pares ra na sila sa kuan dayon, sa single dayon ang process, no? Makuha nimo sa ICR, proceed ka sa FC is equal to MCX over ICR. Kuha nimo si MC ana dayon consider nimo si steel, no? Okay, sa mora